Hi everybody, it's your girl, Panda over here. Right now, it's a day before my 4th of July and my mom's birthday. You mean you guys might be thinking what do you mean? Are they both on the same day? Well, yes, they are. And I'm sorry that's dark. I just would move over to this table. I guess I'll move over to anyways. Tomorrow there are fireworks. And I'll be recording for you guys. So I cannot record for today because I had to get some food, some snacks, yummy snacks, getting for the fireworks. But I promise tomorrow I will bring my tablet to record this for you guys. And well, I'm just gonna be going upstairs. Oh no, I'll let you guys see big pictures. I'm kidding. I'm not sure if you guys will see it. Oh, definitely not. I know it's right. I know the last few videos I did really short. I'm sorry. I just didn't have much ideas to do my videos with. and Annie, yeah, Annie is the person who gives me the ideas. Also, if you guys would like to friend me on Roblox, my name is Gamer Squishy XX. And that's all. I'm sorry I just made it so short, but I don't know. I just wanted. So bye guys. I'll see you tomorrow. And maybe I can sneak my tablet to the water park. And yes, tomorrow I'm going to a water park. My mom's going with me. I'm going to sneak my tablet in, maybe, if I remember. And I'm going to show you guys. But if I don't, I'm sorry. I just forgot. Oh, come on. Also, right now, I accidentally got yogurt on my tablet. Isn't it? So, I'm going to have to... What? Huh? I think I just zoomed in. Okay. Now, everybody listen up. Hold on. Everybody listen up. Tomorrow is fireworks day, so I'll get my tablet out and do this for you guys. So get ready for hold on. Now get ready for tomorrow. And I hope I will see you tomorrow. Now bye guys.